Alright guys, today we're gonna learn how to make the Herbalife Tea Concentrate. It's super simple. It's this little product right here. It comes in a powdered form. And we got raspberry, peach, lemon, original, cinnamon, pomegranate, and chai. The one I have is raspberry. And how we make this super simple metabolic boosting tea is what we do is we take half a teaspoon, so I already have measured out here, half a teaspoon of this, and we are going to put it into water, okay? And then all we gotta do is add some water in. So we're gonna add 8 ounces of water. I personally like a little bit more, so I use 10 to 16 ounces of water. It really depends on your taste. But you can have it hot or cold, and you just mix it well with water, and you're good to go. Thanks for taking the time to check out today's video. If you haven't already, go ahead and follow me on Instagram, where you can find more healthy tips, tricks, and workouts that will help you get to your weight loss goals.